Hello everybody, this video could be very helpful for if anybody having same issues like I'm having here with the YouTube Studio recently, especially after the new update. So here, as you see, I got two smartphones here, same like Samsung S10 Plus. Both are updated to the newest version here. You can see sets information. Let's go to the software update. And this one, last update. See, this is Android version 12. Same thing, this one, it's Android version 12. Same thing, legal information, software information. So you can see here, software information, Android version. Both phones have Android version 12. So the both phones are updated, no issues, everything works fantastic, except one app I'm having issues with, which is the YouTube Studio. This is the YouTube Studio. So first, let's talk about the version. See, in the right phone here, I'll go to Setting, App. Let's go to Apps. And here I'm just going to write YouTube Studio. Here you see, click on it. This version, it's 22.47.101. Let's go to this one, App, and write YouTube Studio. This version is even newer. You can see this one, 23.06.101. This version works okay. I have no issues with this version. I'll show you in 1 second here. So if I go to YouTube Studio, as you see here, and if I go my videos, trying to add, you see, add title, no issues at all. Everything works fantastic. If I go to description, add description, you can see everything works fine, no issues. This version does not freeze, does not respond. Everything works fine in this version. This version is 2.22. You can see here 22.47.101. And now this version 0.06.11. Let's see this version. So I go to, as you see here, it's already updated and everything. This is my channel, same thing. My contact. If I go to add a video, so you'll see add here. As soon as I start, in a few seconds later, this page will freeze. So will freeze, does not respond, and there will be message pop up shortly in about a few seconds later, tells me YouTube is not responding, stop, wait, or cancel. It's so annoying. I contact the YouTube Studio customer service. I had like a few times corresponding with email, and they could not solve the problem. They didn't even understand. And so, you know, they just did not help me to solve the problem. And so it'll freeze. Sometimes, you know, it just now maybe it's working, but I'll put some maybe like it'll freeze and it does not respond at all. If I go to description, here's the major problem. My video, see, description. Click this one. And you can see now, see this, this is the description. So if I continue add description, see, I don't see what I'm writing. Everything disappear behind the keyboard. So, by the way, the keyboard works fantastic. Everything it's up to date, no issues at all with all the apps I have. I have more than like 100 apps. All they work fantastic, except YouTube Studio, which is here, same thing. You see now, I don't see what I'm writing. You can see now, minimize the keyboard. You can see all the what I'm typing, it disappear behind the keyboard. So this issue is terrible. Here also in the description, shortly after a few seconds later, this will freeze, does not respond. So if I go to the keyboard setting, everything works fantastic, no issues. Even for the select the third party, all disabled. You see, Grammarly. Before I have an issue with the Grammarly, I disable it. Everything it works as it should be, except YouTube Studio version 2.3 point yeah 2.3. The newer version now has a bug, and it's so annoying, and it's just not working at all. I tried to search on Google and I couldn't find any answer. Also, in the meantime, I went to app, and I went to the apps, YouTube Studio. So I went to, I install it, reinstall it again, restart my phone. Nothing helped. I went to clear cache. Nothing worked at all. So I tried everything possible. I reinstall, install, clear data, everything. I restart my phone. Nothing worked at all. It's something stuck there, and this YouTube Studio, the new version, always causing me a lot of problems, annoying, not responding. You see here, sometimes you will see on those three dots a green suggestions. You see that green suggestion, but this also, as you see, like I already went to setting and select the third party. I already disconnect or unchecked all the third party here, as you see, the Google, Grammarly, spelling corrects and everything. So nothing issue with the keyboard. Everything works fantastic, and this it's been this issues I'm having with the YouTube Studio start immediately after the new update. So to fix these issues, first of all, you go like before I go to the, I was showing you about um, this issues with the new version. Now the older version, which is this one, 2247.101. This one works fantastic, no issues at all. You can see now, if this is my YouTube, I go to my add description, you can see this screen is moving. See that? It's moving. So I see what I'm writing, no issues. You see that? Now let's go back again here so you can see the difference. And if I go to description, and here I'm trying to write something, you see it's disappear behind. I don't see what I'm writing. You can see now this one, I can see clearly what I'm writing. The screen is moving, scrolling up. You can see now, you see moving. Even if I still write, no matter what, see that screen is moving up. This one, you can see that now it's moving up, but when I start writing, now stuck. You see that the screen is not, I have to keep pressing this. See, even though, see now, so it's something, I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. You see that? So here you can see everything I write, I can see it here in front of the screen. But here, you see, I can see it now, but shortly after, see now disappearing behind, and I don't see what I'm writing. That's the video ad description. Let's go back again to the ad. Here I have no problem. Everything works fantastic here. You see, this one does not stop responding, does not freeze. This is the older version. The newer version, few seconds later, this, when I add title, this won't respond, stop responding, freeze, and the Grammarly here, which is on the three dots, you will see the green light here shows on the three dots. It shows you suggestion on a three party, but the three party is already, I already unchecked all of them, and it's still showing Grammarly. No matter what I do, still there. So this causing problem for me and issues. I contact YouTube customer service. Unfortunately, they could not solve this issue for me. So to fix this issue, first what you need to do, if you have the same problem, like this version I was showing you, let's go, sorry, help, and So those pretty much like help and stuff like that about. But about this version, you can see this version, YouTube version, it's YouTube Studio 23.06. This is the version causing me a lot of problems, and it's not working really well. This version, however, help, and let's go to about this version. This version, it is the version 22.47.101. This version works fantastic, no issues, everything works great. This the new version, it's causing me a lot of problems and annoyance. So how to fix this? Now I explained everything about what I'm having with issues and everything with this version, this one here. Now let's fix it. So to fix this issue, go to setting, choose app, go to here in a search for quick, write YouTube Studio. On YouTube Studio, click install. Do you want to install? Yes, okay, and wait. Now this one installed completely. And now go to, so you don't want to reinstall YouTube Studio from the Google Play. You want to install the older version. And if you want to install the older version, which is this one here, version 22.47.101, simply go to Chrome. You see Chrome, or here on the search, write YouTube Studio version 22.47.14. Click on it, choose the right one, first one here. When you choose the first one, you can see this one says YouTube Studio. This is the apkmirror.com. It's safe to download. I already did it. It works fantastic. So you need to download it from different sources, not the Google Play. The Google Play, Play Studio, if you want to download, it'll give you the same issues again, because Google Play, they don't have older version. They always update. Some updates though works good, some not for some cell phones. They have like bugs or no annoying and so on. So on APK, here you can see apkmirror.com. This is YouTube Studio 2.24.47.101, and scroll down until you see this one, the red triangle APK. Click on this, wait a little bit, and now click download. I already download this, but I'm just gonna, here you say file my it says, all right, that's okay, because here you say apps YouTube creator 2.2.47. Make sure this is the right version to download. Click download anyway. Now wait a little bit until download. Click open. Here choose package installer. Click on it. Click install. Wait until the installing is finished. Now the installing is finished. Creating shortcut, click open. This is the older version, same like this one. Now I'll go to my channel, okay, and let's go to dark mode again so you can see better. Dark mode. Now let's go back again, help, and let's go to about this version. Here you can see now I have the same version as this. This version works fantastic. Let's give it a try and see if it's has no issue. Go my videos, contact my videos. Now I go to add on this title, add a title, no issues at all. Everything works fantastic. Sorry, before I had the issues, like when I start typing a title, it'll freeze, and then a message pop up later on, a few seconds later, tells me YouTube Studio is not responding, cancel, wait, or whatever. You know, it's so annoying, just terrible. Here it's working fine, no issues. If I go to add again description, video description, and it's already working, you see. Now I can see what I'm writing. This screen scrolling up automatically, no problem. And so that's how you fix if you have an issue just like me. This is how you fix it. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and hope to see you next video.